Hey everyone, as you can tell, I've got another lock clamped up in a vise for you. This time it is an Abus. I've picked this lock before and it made its way back to me, but this one was pinned by Bosnian Bill. So, I'm burping over here. So I also pulled out this Squire padlock. Both of these Sidewinder sent me. This one was pinned by Javid Patel, and this one was Bosnian Bill. Since I've already picked this one, I'm not going to gut it, but you know what? I got it. I might as well pick it again. So let's go with a 40 thousandths pry bar. And I believe the last time I picked this one, I picked it from the ledge, but this time I want to use a 20 thousandths reach. And go from the bottom. Okay, I got a nice full set. And counter rotation on 2. And there we go. Alrighty, so we'll slide that one out of the way. And we'll take a look at this Squire SAL 40. Alright, as you guys can tell in the background there, I've still got this American lock over here. Haven't quite turned into a challenge lock yet. Kind of got lazy. So this Squire, I want to use the same pick. I want to use that 20 thousandths reach with a 40 thousandths top of the keyway. Okay, I got a nice false set going now. And I've got flying tension wrench syndrome. I think I caught it with my pick, so I might still be good. I've got a false set that just keeps getting deeper. We're going to pin 1, and there we go. We opened it on pin 1, I believe, and then my tension wrench flew again. But I've still got it trapped with my pick. That's almost comical. Can't even hold on to the damn thing. And no, that is not picked. That is a very deep false set. And that is a freaky deep false set. It's almost like we're hanging on a T-pin now or something. But I'm not thinking there's any T-pins. I'm thinking this pin 5. Be very careful. Oh, okay, that's what it was. I was being very careful with them. I didn't want to drop any of my other pins, and we got them open. So, pretty cool little pick there. Never picked one of these before, and that is a Phillips And my normal little screwdriver is not going to work for that one, so. Alright, so move that out of the way, move that, and that stuff. Okay, I've got your standard little C-clip. These C-clips generally don't give me too much trouble. I just don't have a C-clip remover small enough for these real small ones. Alright. And I will lock it up because I don't have a half moon plug. So I'll lock it up and use the key to turn it the opposite direction. Maybe. There we go. And to be on the safe side, I better stick a shim in here. Okay. Go with a standard plug follower. Key pins are up. Looks like they're all working to me. And they all definitely need to be picked. They're all way down there. And they're all working great. By the way, that's the bitting on the key. So 1, we have a spool, homemade spool. 2, we have another homemade spool. A factory serrated. Another homemade spool. And a standard. No modifications to the plug. I don't see any threads. And I don't see anything on the bottom of this where he's gone through the bottom to tap it either. So probably no threads up top. Okay, Q-tip, tweezers. Okay, I can't talk. Okay, I've got a nice double spool. I've got another kind of like a triple spool. And that one shot out with a little bit of force. Go ahead and knock the spring out of 1 too. There we go. I've got a factory spool. If I can get that spring arranged. Another factory spool. And last but not least, I've got another homemade double spool. Pretty good little work on this lock. These things are hard to modify due to their pin size. It's one of the things I really enjoy doing just because it's hard. Alright, and I was right, no modifications up top. So let's go ahead and zoom in and give you a good look of what's up here. So we've got a homemade spool, then another homemade spool with a real sharp lip, factory serrated, another homemade spool, and then a standard. We've got a double spool here, both sharp, a kind of a triple spool, or a spool with just a couple of raised spots in the middle. Whatever you would call it, it's kind of interesting anyway, and it's almost T-pinish on the bottom because the bottom's reduced diameter as well. I've got a factory spool and another factory spool, and then a homemade double spool here in 5. But that's what's in this Squire here. Sidewinder, I really appreciate you sending me all the locks. Pretty fun stuff, man. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.